The procedure presented in this video requires you to work inside the machine where hazardous voltages are present. Do not attempt to perform this procedure if you are not fully qualified to do so. Please follow all safety procedures as mandated by all relevant authorities. In this video we will be permanently replacing the single-use batteries that provide power to the memory in a Haas CNC control. The memory stores critical CNC data such as work coordinates, part programs and parameters. The memory is volatile and needs a constant source of power in order to retain the stored information. The device in this video replaces the current single-use batteries with a source that continuously provides that power through a set of rechargeable batteries. The batteries automatically charge themselves when the machine is on and discharge when the machine is off. This means that you no longer need to periodically change the batteries in your machine or risk losing critical data due to dead single-use batteries. Before we begin, it is important to back up your machine. While there is little risk of losing data during this procedure, a backup will ensure that you will be able to recover if anything goes wrong. Please consult your manual for information on the proper backup procedure for your machine. Before touching sensitive electronics, it is a good idea to wear an ESD strap. Let's get started. The replacement kit comes with the board, batteries, one power input cable and one or more power output cables. Depending on which kit you order, one or more of these cables may already be attached to the board. First, screw the ferruled end of the power input cable into the power input screw terminals. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal. Now, turn off the machine and take all relevant safety steps for working in the cabinet. Clean an area in the cabinet large enough for the device. Then, peel the backing paper from the device and place it in the clean area. Next, locate the Haas power supply PCB and remove the cover if installed. If you have a machine from approximately model year 2000 and up, locate connector P35 or P34A and attach the power input cable to it as shown. For models years earlier than 2000, locate connector P17 or P31 and attach the cable there. Now, power on the machine and wait until it gets to the home screen. Then, check that the device is functioning correctly before connecting the power output cable to the battery connector. Make sure that the red alert LED on the device is off and the device is not continuously beeping. Again, turn off the machine and take all relevant safety steps for working in the cabinet. If installed, remove the cover from the processor PCB and locate connector P1, or in older machines, connector J6. Attach the power output cable from the device to this connector. Depending on your configuration, remove the original battery by pulling it out of the holder or by carefully cutting both solder tabs and the zip tie holding it to the board. Power up the machine and check that there are no alarms. And that's it. Installation is now complete. Please visit our website to order battery replacement kits, and for more information.